Hello friends, welcome back. In the last video, we have seen how alkyl halides are prepared from hydrocarbons and what is the Markovnikov rule, what is the anti-Markovnikov rule, what is the Kharash effect or peroxide effect, and also we can see how alkyl halide is prepared from halogen exchange. In that two reactions are studied, Finkelstein reaction as well as Schwarz reaction is also studied in the last video. Now today we are starting the next point is the electrophilic substitution. पाठीमागे जे काही आपण सगळे पॉइंट्स पाहिले मग ज्याच्यामध्ये प्रिपरेशन्स ऑफ अल्किल हॅलाइड असेल जे आपण अल्कोहोल पासून प्रिपेअर केलं किंवा मग हायड्रोकार्बन पासून प्रिपेअर केलं हॅलोजन एक्सचेंज पासून प्रिपेअर केलं हे सगळे होते हे सगळे आपले अल्किल हॅलाइडचे प्रिपरेशन्स होते. नाउ how we can prepare aryl halides? How we can prepare aryl halides? These are studied by using two reactions. First one is the electrophilic substitution and second one is the Sandemier's reaction. In which first reaction is the electrophilic substitution. What is meant by electrophilic? Electrophilic is an electron deficient species. Is an electron deficient species and that attack electron deficient and attack on electron rich species. Electrophile are electron deficient species and they attack on electron rich species, that is a nucleophile. That is a nucleophile. Means they attack on nucleophile and there is a substitution. There is a substitution. Substitution means one is replaced by another. One is replaced by another. You can see aryl chloride and bromide. Chloride or bromide. They may be aryl chloride. Here is Cl or Br. Can be prepared by direct halogenation of benzene and its derivative. Benzene and its derivative through electrophilic substitution. Means there is a reaction between chloride or bromide and a benzene and its derivatives. Means they may be toluene. This type of reaction carried out in a dark. This type of reaction is carried out in a dark at ordinary temperature in presence of Fe, FeCl3 or anhydrous AlCl3. FeCl3 and AlCl3 is the Lewis acid. We can say that this reaction is carried out in presence of a Lewis acid. We can see the reactions. Toluene is brominated. Toluene is the derivatives of this benzene. Toluene is brominated in presence of Fe. Fe is the catalyst that are used for these preparations. Here Toluene plus Br2 in presence of Fe and this carried out in the dark at ordinary temperature. They form isomeric product, that is a CH3, means this is the toluene. This is our original product, original reactant. And what is the addition of that? This is the Br. Br is added. And this is the original compound and bromide is added. Means if we consider this is the ipso position, this is the ortho position, this is the meta and this is the para. Means in first product is the ortho bromo and this is the toluene. Ortho bromo toluene. And in second case we obtain para bromo toluene. Always in ortho and para isomers, para is the major product. Para is always a major product. We can use this against for Cl, toluene, Cl2 in presence of FeCl3 or AlCl3, that is the Lewis acid. We get toluene here here we get now this reaction is, if we take Cl2 in presence of Lewis acid AlCl3 in a dark, we get orthochlorotoluene plus parachlorotoluene means here only change in this reactant and the Lewis acid AlCl3 means these types of reaction used only for preparations of aryl chloride and aryl bromide. Now next, aromatic electrolytic substitution with iodine is reversible. Here is not reversible. Here only is the one directional reaction, irreversible. Aromatic electrophilic substitutions with iodine is a reversible because HI form in the reaction is a strong reducing agent. HI form in the reaction is a strong reducing agent. Therefore, oxidizing agent like HNO3 or HIO4 are used. Means this reaction is a reversible in absence of oxidizing agent. जर या रिएक्शन मध्ये आपण ऑक्सिडायझिंग एजंट जर वापरले नाही तर या रिएक्शन मध्ये तयार होणारे हे जे काही HI आहे हे कसं स्ट्रॉंग रिड्यूसिंग एजंट आहे. मग या वापरल्यामुळे काय होतं, ही रिएक्शन कशी होते, रिव्हर्सिबल रिएक्शन पाहायला मिळते. सपोज वी कॅन सी हियर means now this is the aromatic ring. Any aromatic group in presence of I2 they form aromatic iodide and HI is the product, and this HI is a reducing agent. It's a strong reducing agent, and due to this strong reducing agent this reactions is reversible. They again combine with this aromatic iodide and formations of original products, formation of original compounds. But in presence of HNO3 and HIO4, these are the oxidizing agent. They cancel the effect of this reducing agent. And this reaction is irreversible. These reactions become irreversible. Okay, chalo. Fluorine is highly reactive, therefore fluoro compound are not prepared by this method. Why? Question is why fluoro compound are not prepared by using this electrophilic substitution? Because of the reason fluorine is highly reactive. This compound is highly reactive, and therefore they cannot be prepared by this method. अशा प्रकारे हे काही इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन्स आहे, हे इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन आपल्याला सांगतील. सबस्टिट्यूट म्हणजे काय, त्या ठिकाणचा जो हायड्रोजन आहे तो रिप्लेस केला जातो. कशाने, जो काही आपला हॅलोजन्स असेल, मग तो ब्रोमीन असेल किंवा क्लोरीन असेल, यानं तो रिप्लेस केला जातो आणि त्या ठिकाणी काय केला जातो, आपला जो काही हॅलोजन्स असेल तो ऍड होतो. मग याच्यामध्ये जे काही लेविस ऍसिड्स असतील आपले, लेविस ऍसिडला आपण काय करतो, रिएजंट म्हणून त्या ठिकाणी किंवा कॅटलिस्ट म्हणून त्याला वापरतो. जो काही करतो ती रिएक्शन कॅरी करण्याचं काम करतो आणि ही रिएक्शन डार्क कंडिशनला आपण करत असतो. डार्क कंडिशनला आणि ऍट ऑर्डिनरी टेम्परेचरला ही रिएक्शन्स आपण फॉलो करत असतो. मग या रिएक्शन मध्ये काय लक्षात ठेवण्यासारखं आहे, ओनली अरिल क्लोराइड अँड ब्रोमाइड आर प्रिपेअर्ड बाय डायरेक्ट हॅलोजनेशन, and these reactions is reversible for HI, formations of iodobenzene. Maybe here we can say that here is preparation of iodobenzene. These reactions is a reversible in absence of this oxidizing agent. But if we use oxidizing agent, this reaction is irreversible and fluoro compound cannot be prepared. Come to the next point. Next one is a Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction म्हणजे काय ते आपल्याला पाहिजे. This is the fifth reaction. And the second used for preparations of aryl halide. Aryl halide प्रिपेअर करण्याची ही सेकंड मेथड आहे. कशा प्रकारे प्रिपेअर करतो आपण पाहूया पहा. Aryl halides are most commonly prepared by replacement of nitrogen of diazonium salt by halogen. Means here this is the diazonium salt and this nitrogen N2 is replaced. This is replaced by the halogen. Replaced by halogen. And why this reaction is known as the Sandmeyer reactions? आपण details मध्ये या ठिकाणी पाहू. Suppose we take a primary amine. These reactions is take place in two steps. First step is the preparations of diazonium salt, and second the reactions of diazonium salt with cuprous salt. First one is the step. First one, if we take a primary amine, is reacted in presence of nitrous acid. And how nitrous acid is prepared? This is prepared by using reactions between Na, NO2 and HCl. Here, this NO2 is combined with this hydrogen and NaCl is formed. HNO2 here in presence of HCl, they form a diazonium salt. N triple bond N plus, means here is the plus charge. Actually charge on this is plus. Cl minus means salt plus 2H2. या ठिकाणी 2 H2 काय होतात निघून जातात आणि हा जो काही कंपाऊंड मिळेल याला म्हणायचं डायझो कंपाऊंड. किंवा आता हा सॉल्ट आहे. कशाचं सॉल्ट आहे? बेन्झीन डायझो क्लोराइड. बेन्झीन डायझो क्लोराइड. डाय means azo means nitrogen and di means 2 nitrogen and this is the chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride or benzene diazo salt आहे त्याचा. Next step is this diazo compound is reacted with cuprous salt. Cuprous salt, they may be chloride or bromide. Step second, this is the benzene diazonium salt is reacted. If we take CuBr, that is cuprous bromide, in presence of HBr, then we get a bromobenzene. आपल्याला काय मिळेल त्या ठिकाणी? आपण जर डायझोनियम सॉल्ट घेतला आणि त्याच्याबरोबर कोणाची रिएक्शन केली? CuBr किंवा HBr याची रिएक्शन्स केली आपल्याला, तर आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी ब्रोमोबेन्झीन मिळेल आणि नायट्रोजन काय होईल या ठिकाणी आपला निघून जाणार आहे. अशा प्रकारे हा ब्रोमोबेन्झीन आपल्याला मिळेल. किंवा हा जो सॉल्ट आहे या सॉल्टची रिएक्शन आपण करतोय cuprous chloride CuCl2 in presence of HCl we get bromobenzene. इथे आपल्याला काय मिळतोय? ब्रोमोबेन्झीन मिळतोय. CuCl HCl we get this is the chlorobenzene or phenyl chloride, that is the chlorobenzene. अशा प्रकारे हे जे काही रिएक्शन्स आहे मग या रिएक्शनची कशी डेफिनेशन होईल? आता डेफिनेशन पाहू. व्हॉट आर द डेफिनेशन ऑफ दिस? इफ वी टेक aromatic amine, this is the primary amine. ठीक है? Primary amine. These are commonly known as aniline. Aromatic amine treated with nitrous acid. हे काय आपलं nitrous acid. Treated with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin. Means temperature is low temperature आहे. कशी रिएक्शन आहे? Low temperature reaction. The benzene diazonium salts are formed. What is here formed? Benzene diazonium salts are formed. Again, they are treated with cuprous salt. We get corresponding aryl halide, and this reaction is known as the Sandmeyer reaction. म्हणून या रिएक्शनला काय म्हणतो आपण? Sandmeyer reaction म्हणतो पहा. Similarly, iodo-aryl compounds are also prepared, but this is not a Sandmeyer reaction. Which is the Sandmeyer reaction? Use of cuprous salt. CuCl, CuBr is the most used. Then this reaction is called Sandmeyer. Only Sandmeyer here. Only Sandmeyer. This is not a Sandmeyer reaction, but they are also prepared Aryl iodide is prepared by reacting diazo salt with Ki, potassium iodide. डायरेक्ट रिएक्शन्स आहे, डायझो सॉल्ट आहे प्लस Ki, पोटॅशियम आयोडाइड आहे आणि आपल्याला या ठिकाणी आयोडो बेन्झीन मिळतो. बट दिस रिएक्शन्स इज नॉट अ सॅन्डवियर रिएक्शन्स. कॉम्पिटेटिव्ह एक्झाम वगैरे मध्ये तुम्हाला हे या ठिकाणी यूज होईल असा. हाऊ आयोडोबेन्झीन्स आर प्रिपेअर्ड बिकॉज iodobenzene preparation is not a Sandmeyer reaction, but they are prepared reacting potassium iodide with diazo salt. We get directly iodobenzene. अशा प्रकारे ही Sandmeyer reaction बद्दल आपल्याला सांगता येईल. चला पुढे जाऊया नेक्स्ट पॉइंट कडे. आता आपण जे काही रिएक्शन्स पाहिले होते पहा प्रिपरेशनच्या अल्किल हॅलाइडच्या, याचं हे काय आहे आपलं कॉम्बिनेशन्स आहे. हाऊ अल्किल हॅलाइड्स आर प्रिपेअर्ड फ्रॉम युजिंग three methods. That is, first one is from alcohol, second one from hydrocarbon, and third one is a halogen action. How they are prepared we can see in this chart. This is the alcohol. Any alcohol ROH is treated with HCl and ZnCl2. They form RCl, means here alkyl chloride is formed by using this. Again this reaction is treated with PCl3 or PCl5. They form alkyl chloride RCl. Again this treated with SOCl2 and pyridine, RCl is also formed. And this is the preparations for only alkyl chloride, only for alkyl chloride. Now this alcohol, if we want to prepare alkyl bromide, then we use alcohol plus HBr NaBr plus concentrated H2SO4, alkyl bromide is prepared. Next, alcohol plus PbR3, red phosphorus plus Br2, they gives RBr, alkyl bromide, and this is used for preparations of alkyl bromide. R group may be CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, that may be any groups that are used. If we want to preparations of methyl bromide, then we use R is the CH3. Ethyl bromide, then CH3, CH2. Next one is for preparations of alkyl iodide, we can use alcohol plus HI in presence of H3PO4 phosphoric acid. We get Ri, that is alkyl iodide. In presence of Pi3, red phosphorus plus I2, we get alkyl iodide, and this is the methods. That is the first method for preparation from alcohol. How we can prepare from alcohol? Alkyl chloride, alkyl bromide, and alkyl iodide. Next one is from hydrocarbon. How we can prepare from hydrocarbons? This is the alkene, that may be symmetrical or unsymmetrical, plus HX. In presence of HCl, HBr, HI, we get here addition reactions take place, H and X. This is the alkyl halide, and they may be या ठिकाणी पहा रूल्स आहेत. मग हे सिमेट्रिकल आहे का अनसिमेट्रिकल आहे, याच्यानुसार मार्कोनिकोव रूल असेल, अँटी मार्कोनिकोव रूल असेल, किंवा त्याला आपण परऑक्साइड इफेक्ट म्हणतो किंवा खरास इफेक्ट म्हणतो. मग याप्रमाणे याचं जे काही प्रिपरेशन्स असतात ते आपल्याला रूल्स त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला कन्सिडर करावे लागतील. अनसिमेट्रिकल असेल तर मग मार्कोनिकोव रूल नुसार कसे ऍडिशन होते किंवा अँटी मार्कोनिकोव नुसार कसे ऍडिशन होते हे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला लक्षात घ्यावं लागेल. पण हे जनरल रिएक्शन्स आपल्याला याप्रमाणे घेता येईल. नेक्स्ट वन इज हॅलोजन एक्सचेंज. हॅलोजन एक्सचेंज मध्ये पहिली रिएक्शन आहे आपली फिनकेल्स्टन रिएक्शन. हियर alkyl halide, they alkyl halide, but they may be chloride or bromide. How we can prepare alkyl iodide? By using Finkelstein reaction. Rx plus Na in presence of acetone, we get Ri plus NaX, maybe halide, are precipitated in that solution, and they can be filtered to obtain the alkyl iodides. X may be Cl or Br. And the last one is the Schwarz reaction, which is used for preparations of alkyl fluoride. Alkyl fluoride, Rx plus AgF, metal fluoride. In presence of heat, they give Ref, that is alkyl fluoride, and Agx, that is the halides that are metal halides that are precipitated in the solution, and they can be easily separated by using a filtration. हा जो काही चार्ट आहे याच्यापासून पहिल्या 3 मेथड आहे पहा अल्किल हॅलाइड प्रिपरेशनच्या, या आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी सांगता येतील. चला पुढे जाऊया. नेक्स्ट चार्ट आहे पहा आपला आता अरिल हॅलाइड साठीचा. दिस इज द चार्ट that is used for preparations of aryl halide. How aryl halide prepared? By using two reactions, that is electrophilic substitution and second one is the Sandmeyer reactions. Here any aryl group, that may be benzene or any its derivatives, in presence of halogen X2 Lewis acid, they forms aryl halides. Aryl halide, that is ArX. X may be Cl or Br. Next one is a Sandmeyer. There is a fifth reaction, Sandmeyer. Sandmeyer reaction is take place in 2 steps. In this reaction, so the primary amine is treated. That may be any aromatic group or aryl group which contain a primary amine ArNH2 in presence of HNO2 HCl, they gives diazonium salt, and this diazonium salt is again treated with cuprous salt. They may be CuBr, Br2, we get Ar bromide, that is aryl bromide. If we use CuCl, Cl2, that is cuprous chloride, we get aryl chloride, and this is the Sandmeyer reaction. But here we also get aryl iodide, but it is not Sandmeyer reaction. Directly react with Ki, they forms aryl आयोडाइड. या ठिकाणी म्हणतो आपण अरिल आयोडाइड या ठिकाणी आपल्याला प्रिपेअर. असा हा चार्ट आहे. चार्ट लक्षात ठेवला की पुढचे रिएक्शन्स आपल्याला इझिली लक्षात ठेवता येईल. थँक्यू.